In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a list in Aweber. Start by logging into your Aweber account and going to your main dashboard. To find the list tools quickly, open the quick menu. This is the fast search option that helps you jump straight to a feature without digging through tabs. In the search field, type the word list and look for the option called Manage Lists. Select it to open the area where all of your lists are organized. Once you are on the Manage Lists page, look toward the top left corner of the dashboard. You will see the name of your current list displayed there. This is important because Aweber always shows you which list you are currently viewing, and it is easy to make changes in the wrong place if you do not pay attention to that label. Next, select Create New List. Aweber will guide you through a short setup process. First, enter your company name and your website. Use the business or brand name your subscribers will recognize, and make sure the website is accurate, since it can appear in certain emails and list details. After that, choose your sender name and your email address. The sender name is what people see in their inbox, so it should match your brand or the person responsible for sending emails. For the email address, use an address you can access, since it is used for delivery and replies. Click Next to continue. Now you will create the identity of the list itself. Type a list name and add a brief description. The list name is mainly for your own organization inside Aweber, so make it clear and specific. The description can remind you what the list is for, such as where subscribers come from or what kind of emails they will receive. Click Next again. You will now see confirmation message settings. This controls how new subscribers confirm they want to join your list. Choose the confirmation message option that fits your needs and matches the experience you want for subscribers. Take a moment to review these settings carefully, since they affect sign-up and compliance. When you are satisfied, click Create List. Aweber will generate the new list, and you will be ready to start adding subscribers and building your email campaigns. And that is all there is to it.